Today we discuss about Form GSTR 3B C Rule 61 subsection 5 year and month. On top 1 GSTIN number and 2 legal name of the registered person that automatically comes, and 3.1 detail of outward supplies, inward supplies liable to reverse charge, nature of supplies, columns given separately, total taxable value, integrated tax, central tax, state tax, and says inward taxable supplies other than zero rated, both local and combined. B. Outward taxable zero rated, export sales both rated, bond and without bond. Outward supplies nil rated, covered goods covered under exemption notification. Inward supplies liable to reverse charge, to taxable to be paid on reverse charge. Non-GST outward supplies, goods not covered in GST like diesel. After that, 3.2 supply of the supplies shown. 3.1 above details of the interstate supplies made to unregistered persons, composition, taxable persons, and UIN holders. Supplies made unregistered persons, only interstate sales for unregistered. Supplies made to composition, taxable persons, only interstate sales composition dealer. Supplies made in UIN holders, only interstate sales to UIN holders like embassies and any ambassadors given exemption authorization letters. Eligible ITC, this is import tax credit. Full form is inward tax credit. ITC, inward tax available whether in full, part, integrated tax, central tax, and state taxes. Import goods, to import of services, and inward supplies liable to reverse charge other than 1 and 2, all purchases from unregistered dealer. Inward supplies from ISD, input other than other branches and other services distributors, or like all other inward tax credit, normal purchase from registered dealer. B. ITC reversed as per rule 42 and 43, the CGST rules. Columns given separately, we have to fill all the details and others. ITC available A minus B, that is inward tax credit minus inward tax available minus reversed, that net comes A minus B. Ineligible ITC as per the section 17.5 and others. Various value of exempt nil rated on non-GST inward supplies. Nature of supplies, supplies from unregistered scheme, exemption on nil rated supplies, purchase of goods zero exempted, etc. Non-GST supply, purchase of goods non covered under GST. And 5.1 indicates interest and late fees. Any details we have to fill. This is interest on 18% on late payment tax, late fees applicable currently. It is not applicable currently. Payment of tax 6.1 description, tax payable paid through inward tax credit. reverse charge, integrated tax, central tax, sales tax, unregistered UI tax, tax liability paid through input and balance through challan. Reverse charge. Reverse charge is not applicable today. And 7. TDS and TCS credits. Separate. This is not applicable currently. This is the format. Complete format. GSTR 3B. Thank you very much.